Right on the money like always. Summer words are here. Yay, summer words. These are all about summer, and I love, love, love this kit. Speaks to my June baby Cancer, the crab soul. Again, loving that wave pattern for words, various sizes, so that if you want to have a summer zine or a summer glue book or a summer section in your junk journal, these are more for chapter headings, if you will, or mini covers. Or if you want something big that says summer in your little book, well, then you're all set. So all kinds. This is a bokeh, the water and sand, sparkly sand. Oh, it turned out so cool. A variety of words and short phrases, sentiments, and beautiful quotes about summer. And things that you do in the summer. Go fly a kite. Some things are put there on purpose twice or more. Go fly a kite, capital exclamation point, or simply just go fly a kite, depending on how you want to use it. Romance and rendezvous, sunshine on my mind, friends, sun, sand, and sea. That sounds like summer to me. You know, fun stuff. Flip-flops weather. Ah, the smell of barbecue, summer's signature scent. Ain't that the truth? As soon as you get that waft of barbecue, you know it's summer. Moore Lake, the dock, you know I love it. Hip hip hooray for a hot, hot summer day. Yes, indeed. Summer is the annual permission slip to be lazy. Yes, indeed. Go lay on the beach. Go hang out at the lake. Go in your backyard swing. Take your dogs for a walk. Lay in the hammock and read the day away. You have full permission. More of that wavy font. Lots of float, because it is my favorite word in the whole world for a number of reasons. Somewhere in here, there's one of my favorite sayings. I say it all the time to myself and to others. Anyone who listen, drop the oars and float, meaning we have to let go of that control we want to have all the time. Sometimes we just got to drop the oars. Just drop the oars and float. If it involves the lake, my answer is yes. Yes, please. Thank you. Diamonds on the water, light dancing on water. One of the most beautiful things in the whole world. Deep summer is when laziness finds respectability. Again, full permission to just hang out. This is one of my favorites, of course. I love the bonfire. Love, love, love this. The sparks of a bonfire remind me of fireflies dancing. And sometimes you're lucky enough to see real fireflies dancing in the dark this time of year. Crickets and frogs singing lullabies at night. You know summer's coming when those sweet chirps start helping you go to sleep at night. Starry nights, magnificent moons. Some of these are my own phrases, some of my own little bits of writing, and a lot of them are quotes from famous people and famous writers and famous books. So they come from all over the place. Find your fire. I love that. Find your fire. I didn't put a lot of words in the fire. I just wanted to leave the fire alone. I thought it would make a neat addition to a summer journal just all by itself. Roasting marshmallows, the smell of that bonfire. Oh, nothing like it. I could sit all by myself and stare at the fire for hours. That is so true. I lose hours watching the bonfire. One of the best forms of meditation. You just zone out and watch those sparks fly and hear the snap and crackle of the bonfire. Yeah. Gotta love summer. I need to go where there's no shoes required, no responsibilities. I'm in. If it could only be like this, always, always summer. On the other hand, somewhere in here, what good is the warmth of summer without the cold of winter to give it sweetness? So true. Can't have rainbows without the rain. Can't enjoy a good rainstorm if you don't have days on end of sunshine. One of my favorite sayings, and it'll probably be in a number of my kits having words. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. I never get tired of the big blue sky. A little bit about gardening and wildflowers. So pretty. I love this one too. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Wildflowers, wild hearts. Yes, indeed. Whisper to me, weeping willow, what stories do you have to tell? There's a park not terribly far from here that once in a while I'll walk to or ride my bike to, and I'll take a book and my journal, and there's a gorgeous giant willow tree. And I would sit under that willow tree and sketch and read and, truth be told, sometimes nap. It's just so beautiful. Wildflowers like confetti light up the landscapes. Look, look, butterflies. Butterflies, busy birds, and bumblebees. Yes, indeed. Flowers in the summer, fires in the fall, although we know I'm good with fires all year round. Do you have two of these? No, I'm doing it wrong. All about blue skies and watching clouds go by. Rest is not idleness. I think we've lost track of that. That rest to many of us seems like wasted time, and I know I feel guilty. If I'm sitting for 10 minutes, I feel terribly guilty. I should be doing something else. I love this saying, rest is not idleness, and to lie sometimes on the grass, under trees on a summer's day, listening to the murmur of the water or watching the clouds float across the sky is by no means a waste of time. I need to have that tattooed somewhere where I can see it daily. Green calm below, blue quietness above. Don't forget, beautiful sunsets need cloudy skies. Dog days of summer. And look how cute these little guys are. They're so cute. How can that not perk you up? That just makes you happy, that little happy smiling beastly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages in this kit. I didn't print them, but I also always include just black and white versions if you don't want to get all crazy about all the colored ink. I always include a black and white version, so rest easy. But for those of you who like a little bit of color in your life, oh, look at the bokeh. I love that. So much fun. Hope you enjoy. I hope you're getting use out of the other word kits. More to come. August is coming soon. And another words to live by kit, the black and white ones. Those are upcoming. So keep an eye out here at the channel and on my Etsy store. And P.S. this month in July, there's going to be a sidewalk sale days hosted by my dogs. My Beastlies said, you need to have sidewalk sale days. So upcoming in the next few days, watch the Etsy store. It's going to be a sale on all my digital kits. Until I see you again, you have a lovely day. Mate at the lake. Out for now.